Hello guys, this is this mini album I had made. I had went to a crop and they gave out challenges for each month. Well, our challenge was to turn any old regular CD that's all scratched up. I mean, you can see this one's pretty funky, and create a mini album out of it. This is what I come up with. It was a fall challenge, so I kept with the fall theme. And this is Harvest Plenty. Here we go. I put stickers and different embellishments throughout the book. I used lots of leaves, places for pictures, falling leaves, and then raking leaves. Okay. The way I had did the leaves, I had stair stacked them to where you almost had a whole full ring of leaves around it. And then this one is Fall Blessings. Picture here, or journaling. Then Gratitude, and this nice little flourish type thing. They were dazzle stickers, and I'd used some bling through there. This one is got tags in it. Hot cider and fun. Enjoying your hayride. And then the bonfire with family and fall. It slips right back in. And we have another pocket page, and I used this stuff from the sewing department. And this one says grateful, and the back is that for extra pictures or journaling. Same thing for this one, and that one says traditions. Okay. Then celebrate autumn. I used brads, sparkle shiny brads with fall colored flowers. And this says harvest. And they're all the same stickers. They all come from that same collection. It was a dazzle sticker, and then this says fall fun and a picture on the back. I really enjoyed making this as a challenge. It was really fun, and I enjoyed making it, and I hope someone enjoys it as much as I did. Thanks, guys.